Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
In this video, we will see areas of similar triangles, which is a theorem. In my previous video, we have seen 3 theorems for similarity of 2 triangles. So if you haven't watched that, there is a link in the description box below. You can check that out. So we have already learned in 2 similar triangles, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal, right? So now let's see if there is any relationship between the ratio of the areas and the ratio of the corresponding sides. Alright, so let's see this theorem. It states that the ratio of the areas of 2 similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So what does it mean? We have 2 similar triangles. So first let's take 2 similar triangles. Let's say triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Let's say these 2 triangles are similar. It's already given. It says the ratio of the areas of 2 similar triangles, that is area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. That means AB by DE the whole square is equal to BC by EF the whole square, which is equal to AC by DF the whole square. So we have to prove this. First let's write what is given. So given here is 2 similar triangles. We have triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given, right? What we have to prove? To prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE the whole square. Square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So it's square of the ratio of their corresponding sides, which is equal to BC by EF the whole square, which is equal to AC by DF the whole square. Right? So now let's see what is construction. Let's draw a line from A perpendicular to BC. So let's take this point as L and draw a line from D perpendicular to EF. So let's take this point as M. So this is 90 degree, right? So draw AL perpendicular to BC and we have DM perpendicular to EF, right? So now let's see the proof. So now we already know triangle ABC is similar to DEF, right? So first let's write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF since given. So if these 2 triangles are similar, that means they are equiangular, their corresponding angles are equal and their sides are proportional. Agreed? Which means triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equiangular and their sides are proportional, right? That means angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and we have angle C is equal to angle F. And their sides are proportional, which means, let me do here, AB by DE is equal to BC by EF which is equal to AC by DF, right? Let's take this equation as 1. We will continue this, but before that, pause the video and note this down. So I have written the same equation, that is equation 1 here again. Okay. So what we have to prove? We have to prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB by DE the whole square equal to BC by EF the whole square, which is equal to AC by DF the whole square, right? So first let's see what is area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF. Alright, so area of triangle ABC, which is equal to, we know area of the triangle is given by half into base into height. Here base is BC into height is AL, right? We know area is given by half into base into height. Similarly, area of triangle DEF is equal to half into base here is EF into height here is DM, right? So now we want the ratio of these areas. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to half into BC into AL by half into EF into DM, right? So here half and half is gone. So we are left with BC by EF into AL by DM, right? So now if you see, we have to prove BC by EF the whole square. That means we have to replace this part, right? AL by DM. So how can we do that? For that, we will take a triangle which contains these sides. So if you see triangle ABL, we have AL. And in triangle DEM, we have DM, right? So let's see these two triangles. So in triangle ABL and triangle DEM, we know in these two triangles ALB is equal to DME. They are perpendicular, right? We know ALB is equal to DME, which is equal to 90 degree. Since construction, we draw a perpendicular line. And also we know angle B is equal to angle E, because these two triangles are similar triangles. We know angle B is equal to angle E, since they are similar, which is given, right? So therefore by AA similarity rule, that is angle, if two angles in two triangles are equal, that means we can say those two triangles are similar to each other, right? By AA similarity rule. So therefore we can say triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM, since by AA similarity rule. So if these two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding sides are proportional, right? So we can say AB by DE is equal to BL by EM, which is equal to AL by DM, right? Corresponding sides of triangle ABL and DEM, right? Let's take this equation as 2 and this equation as 3, alright? So now we know AL by DM is equal to AB by DE. We can replace this AL by DM by AB by DE, right? Let me continue here. From equation 2 and 3, we can write this equation as area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF into AL by DM, we can replace it by AB by DE. Right? But we already know AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. We can replace AB by DE by BC by EF. So now we will replace this by BC by EF, which is equal to BC by EF into BC by EF, which is nothing but BC by EF the whole square. So now we have proved area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square. Since I don't have enough space to write the last part of the proof, let me erase this, but before that pause the video and note this down. So now we got area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square, right? So now if you see, we know BC by EF is equal to AB by DE. We can write AB by DE the whole square, right? Which is also equal to AC by DF. So in place of AB by DE, we can write AC by DF the whole square. So we have proved area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF the whole square, which is equal to AB by DE the whole square, which is equal to AC by DF the whole square. Hence the proof. So this is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you did, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.